Hey guys, welcome back. We are now going to do some 3D trig. I know you've been looking forward to this so much. So many comments asking for this video. I've finally actually made it for you guys. There's just such a big demand for it. It's great that you guys are so interactive. You know, hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to this new channel. Okay, so we know how to label the various parts of a cuboid and 3D shapes, where I am now going to show you a few examples of 3D trigonometry. So you can see here's a cuboid I've prepared earlier. We're working out, this time we're working out an angle, so angle CAG. So you can see there's the little cuboid, get quite excited, shaking about, a bit nervous. We are working out, to work out CAG, those are the two triangles we're interested in. The angle we actually want is that theta there. So the first part of this step is actually straightforward because you're just using Pythagoras to find base length of the pink triangle. Then once you know the base length of that triangle and the height, this time instead of Pythagoras, you can use SohCahToa. So I know that I have the opposite obviously that says opposite there, and I have the adjacent. That obviously says adjacent there. So opposite and adjacent, so then I'm going to use tan. And you can work out the missing side from that. Tan inverse of 5 over root 80. Don't forget to do the inverse because you want to work out the angle. Second example here, ABCDFG is a cube. Thomas says ECA is 45. Annabelle says no, it's less. So you can see there's your two triangles, ECA. You draw out your two triangles. You start with a base triangle, depending on the question. So then you can see AC is root 2. That's your base for your new triangle. Your height is 1. Now you should notice that there are no lengths given to you in this cuboid, so you can make up a length. You could call it 10 as well, but just pick a nice number. In this case, I've chosen 1, so it keeps it nice and easy. Once you have that, you can then again just use tan, because you have opposite and adjacent, so it's 1 over root 2. Tan inverse is 35 to the nearest degree. Example 3. It looks like a different question, but really it's just a cuboid with some of the edges not drawn. So a question like this might be given in terms of a scenario of, for example, a flag pole or something like that. We know that E is above C. You've been given the other two lengths, which are labeled. Work out the angle between the line AE and the horizontal plane, which is just the base. It's basically the same question. So that is the projection from A to C. There's your triangle, and there's your plane. I'm going to give you, as long as you need, pause the video and have a go to work out the missing length. And now I'm going to show you how to do it. You can see that's your triangle, and then you just use SohCahToa. In this case, it's sine, because sine, you have your opposite and hypotenuse. And next example here, you can see a fairly straightforward, similar to the previous questions. You can try this now, and I'll show you the triangles we're interested in. Okay, slightly different. It's phrased the same way, but the diagram, you just need to make sure you cut that rectangle the right way. You've got your lengths, Pythagoras, and again, just using tan, 6 over root 20, you should have got 53. And in the final example here, we're working out angle AEC. So there's the base triangle, there's the second triangle. And we can see we are working out using Pythagoras, the hypotenuse of the base triangle, which becomes the base of the second triangle. And then you know that you have an isosceles. So both of those lengths have to be 10. And the base length we have to cut in half because we want to work out theta. And we want to use a right angle triangle. You cannot use SohCahToa if it's not a right angle triangle. So it's root 50 divided by 2. And you've got the length 10. And then again, you're just using sine. And you get 20.7 times 2. Remember to double your angle because what you just worked out is theta and you need 2 theta. Okay, so if the worksheets, I'll put this on Google Classroom as well. You need to mark all of the work and upload it and smash the like button. Yes, Eva, what do you have to say?
I thought that lesson was fabulous.
Oh, thanks.
When is the next one? I actually can't wait to complete my independent tasks as soon as I can.
It's good to hear.
Netflix time. No, more like mathematics time.
Oh, that is so nice to hear that. Anyway, hit subscribe. I need validation